Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Is audible to you people? One or two messages. Wa alaikum salam. Is audible to you people? Okay, we'll start. Wa alaikum salam. The last section of plant kingdom we have to complete, and we have to start the next chapter, that is morphology in flowering plants. That is fifth chapter. The last sections that is we were completing is plant life cycle. In that, we have come across that in plants, both haploid as well as diploid cell can undergo mitotic division. Some basic information about mitotic division also we understood, that a cell that is having a diploid chromosome or a cell that is having a haploid chromosome, when it undergoes division, the resultant cells that are going to be produced, that resultant cell also will have same number of chromosome that of what parent cell had. That division is called as mitotic division. For example, if a cell is having 4 chromosomes, the daughter cell which we obtain, which we get after the division, will also possess or will also have 4 chromosomes. Number of chromosomes will not get changed from parent cell to offspring or parent cells to daughter cells. This type of division is called as mitotic division. This type of division is called as mitotic division. Whereas there is another cell division in which if parent cell is having 4 chromosomes, daughter cells which we obtain after division will have 2 chromosomes. The resultant cell number also varies, that I will not touch it now, because when cell division and cell cycle we do it, at that time we will understand it. Daughter cell which we obtain after meiosis, that daughter cell will have half the number of chromosome compared to parental cell. This division is called as meiotic division. The cell that undergoes meiosis is called as meiocyte. The cell that undergoes mitosis is called as mitocytes. And if a cell is possessing, if cell is having one set of chromosome, then that cell is called as haploid cell. If cell is having 2 set of chromosome, then the cell is called as diploid cell. So in case of plants, haploid cell as well as diploid cell can undergo mitotic division. That character or this character is not observed in animals. Only diploid cell will undergo mitotic division. Haploid cell will not go under mitotic division. Occasionally, accidentally, the cell may undergo, haploid cell also undergo mitotic division. That is abnormalities. That is some special cases that you will understand in zoology. But usually, haploid cell will not undergo mitotic division. But in plants, both haploid cell as well as a diploid cell will undergo mitotic division. Because of this character, because of this habit, because of this reason, the plant body which we observe will have a haploid plant body or will be a diploid plant body. We will have a haploid plant body and we will have diploid plant body. Already we understood that any plant that produces gametes, any plant that produces gamete or any plant phase that produces gamete is called as gametophyte. Any plant phase that produces spores that are called as sporophyte. Because of that, we will find two phases in a plant, that is a haploid phase and diploid phase, gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. Usually, gametophytic phase is haploid and sporophytic phase is diploid. Always a haploid phase leads to development of sporophytic phase. A gametophyte leads to formation of sporophyte and sporophyte leads to formation of gametophyte. Because of that, we will find alternation of generation. One generation alters with another generation. One generation gametophyte, next generation will be a sporophyte, and next generation will be gametophyte, and next generation will be a sporophyte. So alternation of generation is observed in case of plants. Already one life cycle we have completed, that is a haplontic life cycle. A haplontic life cycle, a cycle where the phase of haploidy or haploid phase is a dominant phase. Haploid phase is a maximum phase in the life cycle of many plants, especially algae. Haplontic life cycle. In this haplontic life cycle, we understood that a zygote, that is a diploid, is the only phase that will act as a sporophyte, and zygote will produce spores. So zygote, we can call it as a sporophyte. Only one-celled sporophyte is observed in which plants? In algae, that is haplontic plants. The plants which follow haplontic life cycle. Whereas in case of angiosperm, whereas in case of gymnosperm, whereas in case of some algae like fucus, all the three examples I have taken that will come in this paragraph, that is diplontic life cycle. Diplontic life cycle is shown by three plants. Which are the three plants? Angiosperm, gymnosperm, as well as fucus. Even though fucus is an algae, that will follow a diplontic life cycle. What is this diplontic life cycle? Observe here. We'll take an example of any angiosperm. Any angiosperm we can take it. A plant body of angiosperm. That we will observe will have leaves, will have flowers, and it is called as sporophyte, and it is a sporophyte, and it is diploid, So angiosperm, dominant plant phase life is haploid or diploid. Is it a sporophyte or gametophyte? Sporophyte. It is a sporophyte. Why it is a sporophyte? Because it produces spores. Because it produces spores. Which spore? Microspore, microspore and megaspore. Microspore and megaspore. What is the other name for microspore? Other name for microspore is pollen grain. Already in the last section itself we understood pollen grain. Pollen grain is haploid or diploid? Pollen grain is a haploid or diploid? Pollen grain is haploid. How it is produced? It is produced in anther by means of meiosis. Meiosis. By means of meiosis. So now pollen grain is haploid. Pollen grain is haploid. How many cells? Only few cells. That is 3 cells. 3 cells. Haploid. Now this pollen grain, once it is ready, it is gametophyte. It is gametophyte. Why it is called as gametophyte? It is going to produce gametes. Gametophyte. Which gametes? Male gametes. Which gamete? Male gametes. How many male gametes are produced by pollen grain? 2 male gametes are produced by pollen grain. It is haploid and 3 cell. At the same time, female gametophyte is also produced. Female gametophyte. Already we observed embryo sac is nothing but female gametophyte. Embryo sac is how many celled, and how many nucleated, how many celled. Embryo sac is how many celled? Can anyone explain me or answer my question? Embryo sac is how many celled? Embryo sac is how many celled? 7 celled. Embryo sac is 7 celled. How many nucleated? How many nucleated? How many nucleated? It is not 2 nucleated. It is 7 nucleated. 8 nucleated. Count the nuclei. This cell also, synergids will have nucleus. Egg cell also will have nucleus. Antipodals also will have nucleus. 8 nucleated, 2 celled. 8 nucleated, 2 celled. Embryo sac. What is embryo sac? Female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. Is it haploid or diploid? It is haploid. Okay. This plant, a sporophyte. How many cells? How many cells do you find in a sporophyte? How many cells in a sporophyte you will observe? How many cells? A plant body is how many cells? This plant sporophyte is how many cells? How many cells? कितने cells रहते? In plant, this sporophyte will have how many cells? Sporophyte कितने cells रहते भाई? Diploid it is. This is ploidy. This is ploidy. If I pluck this one leaf I have taken, one leaf, that is also not flower, one leaf. How many cells do you find in this leaf? How many cells do you find in this leaf? Many cells. So sporophyte is multicellular, whereas gametophyte is countable cells. Gametophyte is countable cells. We can count the cell. In some cases, gametophyte is only one cell, but it will have only countable cells. So gametophyte is reduced, highly reduced. How many cells? We can count 3 cell and a 7 cell. 3 cell and a 7 cell. 3 cell and a 7 cell. whereas sporophyte is a multicellular. Now, male gamete and female gamete fuse together forms what? Zygote. Forms what? Zygote. Zygote is diploid. Zygote is diploid, and that zygote develops into what? Embryo. Zygote develops into embryo. Embryo develops into what? Embryo develops into a new sporophyte. For how many years it is going to rain? We have seen the plants which survive for thousands of years. But what is the life of gametophyte? Hardly a month. Hardly a month. So what type of life cycle it is? What type of a life cycle it is? Is the maximum, only highly reduced stage. Oh, highly reduced stage, only haploid stage, only few cell, whereas diploid stage, thousands of years, and it is dominant phase, dominant phase. Now, what type of cycle it is called as? Diplontic life cycle. It is called as diplontic life cycle. Exactly opposite to haplontic life cycle. In haplontic life cycle, haploid phase is a maximum phase. Diploid phase, highly reduced. How many cells? Only one cell. Zygote. Diploid phase. Zygote underwent meiosis. Zygote underwent in meiosis. That is in case of algae. Whereas in diplontic life cycle, maximum life of a plant is in a diploid condition, and only highly reduced condition is a haploid condition. So which plants diploid life cycle is observed? Diplontic life cycle is observed in gymnosperm, in angiosperm. Important one. ये याद रखना है. This name you have to remember it. This name you have to remember is fucus. Usually fucus, as soon as we heard the name fucus, we will think about algae, and all algae will lead what type of life cycle? Haplontic life cycle. Haplontic cycle. But fucus is a what type of life cycle? Diplontic life cycle. What type of life cycle? Diplontic life cycle. Is it both the life cycle is clear to you people? क्लियर करें तो मैं आगे बढ़ जाता हूं, जल्दी बताइए. ओके. Diplontic life cycle is not clear. Okay. Why you are in zoology group and asking? You are in zoology group and you are asking question in zoology. Okay. एक example. For example, I am saying banyan tree. Banyan tree. Okay. What is the life of banyan tree? जरा आप जो डिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल नहीं समझ में आना उन्हें बताइए. Banyan tree. What is the age of a banyan tree? क्या है? कितने साल है? Banyan tree की उम्र क्या रहती? जल्दी जल्दी बताइए, जल्दी बताइए. अप्रॉक्सीमेट बताइए भाई. 100 years. Okay. Okay. 100 or more than 100. 1000 I'll take. Okay. Haploid or diploid? जल्दी बताना. Haploid or diploid? Banyan tree haploid or diploid? Diploid. Banyan tree diploid. It produces flower. It produces flower. एक 10 साल 20 साल के बाद ये प्रोड्यूस करता फ्लावर. फ्लावर में पोलन ग्रेन प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। पोलन ग्रेन कितने साल तक जिंदा रहते हैं? पोलन ग्रेन की जिंदगी कब तक? पोलन ग्रेन की लाइफ बताइए। पोलन ग्रेन की लाइफ ऑफ अ पोलन ग्रेन हार्डली मंथ, in some cases days, in some cases hours, not even hour, in cases some cases hours, उसके बाद मर जाता अगर उन्हें पॉलिनेट नहीं करा। इफ इट इज नॉट फर्टिलाइजिंग द एग, इट विल डाई, ओवर, लाइफ इज ओवर। 1000 ईयर कहां पे है? एंड हेप्लॉइड फेज कितने डेज? फॉर फ्यू डेज। सो what is the life cycle? Diplontic or haplontic? Diplontic. Why? Maximum life of a plant is in what condition? Diploid condition. Zygote बन गया तो diploid बन गया। So embryo sac की जिंदगी का फूल बन के गिरे तक, सीड बने तक, that is only फर्टिलाइजेशन तक का फ्लावर की जिंदगी है, वो भी डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन। Haploid condition is hardly months, whereas life of a plant is 1000 years. Compared to 1000 years, haploid condition is only months. So what type of a life cycle? Diploid life cycle or haploid life cycle? Diploid life cycle, diplontic. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Is it clear, boy? What is the living time of spore in haploid? Spore कौन सा बेटा है? कौन सा स्पोर? कौन सा स्पोर? ब्रायोफाइट का स्पोर है, गेमेटोफाइट का स्पोर है। पोलन ग्रेन की जिंदगी, उन्हें पोलन ग्रेन टिल डिस्चार्ज ऑफ गेमेट्स डिस्चार्ज करे तक, इन सम केसेस आवर्स, 24 आवर्स, मर जाता 24 आवर्स के बाद। इन सम केसेस मंथ्स, इन सम केसेस हार्डली डेज, नॉट इवन अ मंथ्स, आल्सो डेज। ओके, क्लियर नाउ? Is the students who asked it diplontic 430-178-8085 from girls group? Is it clear to you? Should I explain again? Okay, fine. No, the same number I didn't receive. 430. I'm waiting. Is it clear, girls? Okay. Now, एक लाइफ साइकिल ड्रॉ करता हूं, आइडेंटिफाई करिए वेदर इट इज हैप्लॉन्टिक और डिप्लॉन्टिक। आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज हैप्लॉन्टिक और डिप्लॉन्टिक, देन आई विल प्रोसीड फर्दर। टू एन एन N, 2N, 2N. What is the life cycle? Haplontic or diplontic? Haplontic or diplontic? Okay. Now, N, 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 2N. What is the life cycle? What is the life cycle? Okay. Very good. Very good. Haplontic. Now it is clear. Life of a plant, maximum phase is diploid. See three, 4 stages. Diploid, diploid, diploid. Haploid stages, only few stages. What is the life cycle? That is diplontic. Observe here. Haploid condition. Maximum life is haploid condition. This much phase of a plant is haploid condition, and only sporophyte is nothing but zygote. In case of algae, this life cycle is haplontic life cycle. This life cycle is a haplontic. Okay. Now, when we understood this, there is another life cycle that is not completely haplontic and that is not completely diplontic. For example, in case of bryophytes as well as pteridophytes, observe here, this is a plant. I have drew many a time. What is the plant name? Markensia. What is the plant name? Markensia. Plant name is Markensia. Gametophyte or sporophyte? Markensia. Gametophyte or sporophyte? It is gametophyte. Okay. How many cells? कितने cells है इसमें? How many cells? This is multicellular. It is a multicellular. It is not 3-celled. It is haploid. It is not 3-celled. How we observed in angiosperm, pollen grain is 3-celled. It produces male gamete. It also, if it is male plant, it produces male gamete. In case of angiosperm, which structure produces male gamete? Pollen grain will produce male gamete. Pollen grain is how many celled? Only 3-celled. Whereas gametophyte in this plant, how many celled? Many celled. And now this gametophyte, after fertilization, produces a sporophyte. Another plant, I'll draw it. That is a female plant. A sporophyte, observe here, sporophyte is having 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? That is foot, seta, and capsule. How many celled? Many celled. This is also multicellular. Now you observe in algae, अभी ड्रॉ करा था मैं यहाँ पे. Algae, sporophyte of algae is how many celled? Sporophyte of algae is how many cell? Girls, I'm asking to the girls. Sporophyte of algae is how many cell? Sporophyte of algae is how many cell? Spore, not two haploidina. I'm not asking. Sporophyte of algae is how many cell? Sporophyte of algae is how many celled? Boys, you can try. Boys, you can try now. Sporophyte of algae is how many celled? Sporophyte of algae is how many celled? Okay. और एक मिनट ठहर जाइए. Which plant it is? Which algae it is? थोड़ा नाम बताइए. Filamentous, Ulthrix. Okay, Ulthrix. Okay, we'll go with Ulthrix. Filamentous. Spirogyra भी हो सकता है, Ulthrix भी हो सकता है. Is it maybe a Spirogyra or Ulthrix? Okay. Volvox नहीं हो सकता भाई. Volvox is colonial. Maybe this is Spirogyra or Ulthrix. How many cell? Multicellular. How many cell? Multicellular. Haploid or diploid? Haploid. It is haploid. Now, it produces gametes. अब बताइए यहाँ पे ये है male gamete and this is female gamete. What gametes are haploid or diploid? Haploid or diploid. Now, this plant, when it is producing gamete, plant is gametophyte or sporophyte? Gametophyte or sporophyte? It is gametophyte or sporophyte? It is producing gamete. Gamete बना रहा है, दे रहा. It is gametophyte or sporophyte? It is gametophyte. Gametophyte is multicellular. We understood now. Gametophyte is multicellular. Now, this gamete fused together. दोनों gamete, male gamete and female gamete fuse हुए. Now it formed as a zygote. Diploid or haploid? Diploid. Zygote. Diploid. Now, if this zygote divides and redivides, it becomes multicellular structure. But this will undergo division, but the division is meiosis and produces 4 spores. Haploid, and these are spores. Okay, now this zygote, what we can say it is producing spores. What we can say this zygote as? Zygote is producing spores. हम zygote को क्या बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Meiocyte और it is producing spores. और एक क्या बोल सकते? It is producing spores. और क्या बोल सकते zygote को? We can say it as a sporophyte. And now these spores develop into what? Another Ulthrix, or we can say that Spirogyra. This also grows into multicellular structure. Spirogyra. This also grows into a that is gametophyte. Now आप मेरे को जवाब दीजिए. In algae or in Ulthrix, Sporophyte is how many cell structure? Sporophyte is how many cell structure? अब बताइए अब. Sporophyte is single cell. Sporophyte is unicellular. Sporophyte is unicellular. Sporophyte. In which plant? In which plant? Another question. In which plant zygote act as a sporophyte? In algae, zygote act as a sporophyte. What is the life cycle? What is the life cycle? आप बताइए life cycle क्या है? Haplontic. Haplontic. Why? Sporophyte is highly reduced. Sporophyte is highly reduced. It is haplontic. Whereas in case of angiosperm, in case of gymnosperm, in case of fucus, gametophyte is highly reduced. That is pollen grain is a gametophyte, embryo sac is a gametophyte, pollen grain is a male gametophyte, embryo sac is a female gametophyte. Embryo sac, we can count the number of cells. Pollen grain, we can count the number of cells. Highly reduced gametophyte is observed in which plant? Angiosperm, gymnosperm and fucus. What type of life cycle? Diplontic life cycle. Highly reduced diploid condition is observed in which plant? Algae. Highly reduced haploid stage is observed in which plant? That is angiosperm, gymnosperm and fucus. Hope I have cleared your doubts. Now, we'll come back again. Here, Rajan, as such. A sporophyte. Now, in Markenshaw, we are talking about gametophyte. Gametophyte. We'll come back again. Gametophyte, unicellular or multicellular? Gametophyte is unicellular or multicellular? Multicellular. Gametophyte. Again, somebody has said you one cell. Gametophyte is how many cell? यहाँ पे दिख रहा ना भाई? 303. Gametophyte is multicellular. Dominant phase, no doubt, dominant phase. Now, what about sporophyte? What about sporophyte? What about sporophyte? Sporophyte. What about sporophyte? Unicellular hai ye. It is having foot. It is having seta. It is having foot. It is having seta. Multicellular. Gametophyte is also multicellular. Sporophyte is also multicellular. A sporophyte is diploid or haploid? Diploid. Gametophyte is haploid or diploid? Haploid. Gametophyte is haploid. Sporophyte is diploid. Gametophyte is also multicellular. Sporophyte is also multicellular. Gametophyte also lives for a longer period and sporophyte is also lives for a longer period. What type of life cycle it is? Haplontic life cycle or diplontic life cycle? It is not haplontic life cycle, it is not diplontic life cycle, but it is haplodiplontic life cycle. It is haplodiplontic life cycle. It is haplodiplontic life cycle. अब ब्रायोफाइट और टेरिडोफाइट्स में हम एक वक्त ड्रॉ करके देख लेंगे हाउ इट विल बी. एक ब्रायोफाइट ले लेंगे, एक टेरिडोफाइट ले लेंगे. Bryophyte. This is one funaria. I'll take funaria. Okay. Multicellular rhizoids, leafy stage. Okay. 2 branches. Leafy stage funaria. Okay. This produces मेल गेमेट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्ट्रक्चर. क्या बोलते हैं मेल गेमेट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्ट्रक्चर को? क्या बोलते हैं भाई, मैं भूल गया, बताइए. मेल गेमेट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्ट्रक्चर इन ब्रायोफाइट is called as male reproductive structure. Yes, हमारे बॉयज भी देते भाई आंसर, देखेंगे. Male reproductive structures are called as, भाई आंथ्रोजॉइड मेल गेमेट हो गया ना भाई. मेल गेमेट को आंथ्रोजॉइड बोलते. मेल गेमेट इज कॉल्ड एज आंथ्रोजॉइड. Anthridia or anthridium. Anthridia or anthridium. Anthridia or anthridium. Okay, anthridium. Anthridia or anthridium. Okay, in this anthridium, what is produced? Anthrozoids are produced. Anthrozoids लिख दे रहा हूं मैं. Anthrozoids. This is haploid. Anthrozoid is also haploid. यहाँ पे now this is producing archegonia. यहाँ पे archegonias are produced. एक दो archegonias are produced. Okay. Archegonia are female reproductive structure. In this archegonia, what is produced? Egg is produced. In this archegonia, egg is produced. यहाँ पे egg produced. This anthrozoid moves towards or swim towards archegonia. Archegonia. Okay. Now, this is egg is haploid. Egg is haploid. Anthrozoid is also haploid. Both fuse together. Both fuse together. Produces what? Produces zygote. Produces zygote. What? Zygote is haploid or diploid? Zygote is diploid. Zygote is diploid. Now, what will happen to zygote? Zygote will does zygote undergo meiotic division in case of bryophyte? Same like what we observed in algae. No, zygote will not undergo meiotic division. Zygote undergoes division, many division. Now, where the development is taking place, observe the development further. Zygote grows into multicellular sporophyte. Multicellular sporophyte. Observe the sporophyte. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. This zygote develop into what? Zygote develop into sporophyte. How many parts a sporophyte will have? Sporophyte will have foot. Sporophyte will have seta. Sporophyte will have capsule. All the three parts, multicellular structure. And this sporophyte is dependent on what? Dependent on gametophyte. And this produces spores. This produces spores. This produces spores. This produces spores. So this structure, foot, seta and capsule. Sporophyte or gametophyte? It is sporophyte. It is sporophyte. So sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. In bryophytes, sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. Sporophyte is partially or completely dependent on gametophyte. Okay, I drew 4 lines. यहाँ पे एक, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. काई को लगाया मैं 4 lines. Why I drew 4 lines? Why did not I drew 2 lines? 4 काई को लगाया मैं? Can anyone? 4 spores. 1, 2, 3, and 4 spores. Why? Yes, very good. It is because meiosis. The sporophyte, zygote is diploid, meiosis. Now these are haploid. Haploid. Now what will happen? This haploid cell grow into haploid the spores, grow into what? Spores grow into, जरा बताइए मेरे को, spore, infunaria, in masses, spores develop into what? Spores develop into what? Spores develop into what? In masses, spores develop into what? Very clever answer is needed. Spores develop into, अरे पागल हो, spore gametes देता क्या? Spores develop into, no, spores develop into, spore develop into, very good, spore develop into primary protonema, that produces many branches, that is secondary protonema, that secondary protonema produces buds, and that buds grows into leafy gametophyte. This is also gametophyte, but juvenile gametophyte. This is adult gametophyte, that is leafy gametophyte. Okay, what type of life cycle here? The life cycle of masses is, we have haploid stage, that is also haploid stage, that is also multicellular, haploid stage, that is also multicellular, diploid stage, that is also multicellular. What type of life cycle? Haplodiploidic life cycle. What type of life cycle? Haplodiploidic life cycle. Okay, अब यही haplodiploidic life cycle, compare it in case of ferns or in case of pteridophytes. ये है bryophyte का, अब ये है pteridophytes. जब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा तब तक मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. अभी भी आंसर्स मेरे को गड़बड़ आ रहे हैं. स्पोरोफाइट, स्पोर प्रोड्यूस इनटू गैमेट करके बोल रहा है. दैट विल नॉट बी. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, दिस इज a pteridophyte, a fern बोलेंगे. This is a one fern, and this fern produces sporangia. Okay, this fern produces sporangia. Okay, this leaf is called as, ये leaf को क्या बोलते हैं? Sporangia producing leaf are called as, sporangia producing leaf is called as, very good, very good, mashallah. Sporangia producing leaf is called as sporophyll. This is sporophyll, and the plant is called as sporophyte. Plant is called as sporophyte. Why we are calling it as sporophyte? We are calling plant as a sporophyte because it is producing spore. Why this leaf is called as sporophyll? Because this leaf is producing spores. That's why we are calling it as a sporophyll. Okay, now this spores once get liberated, now one more question, one more. Sporophyll is also called as frond. Frond, if it is vegetative, it is not producing spores, at that time it is called as frond. If it is not producing spore, at that time it is called as frond. Okay, now this plant will have roots, this plant will have stem, this plant will have leaf. Sporophyte is independent or dependent? Sporophyte in case of pteridophyte is dependent or independent? Dependent or independent? डिपेंडेंट है. डिपेंडेंट है. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? 303 डिपेंडेंट है बोल रहा है ना, किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? कौन दे रहा है? It is independent. It is independent because it is having its own root, it is having own stem, Now, before I proceed further, sporophyte and bryophyte. Sporophyte and bryophyte, dependent or independent? Sporophyte and bryophyte, dependent or independent? Dependent. Sporophyte is dependent. On whom it is dependent? On gametophyte it is dependent. If it is Markentia, then also sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. If it is mosses, it is also dependent on gametophyte. If it is liverwort, it is dependent. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte, whereas pteridophyte, sporophyte is independent. Sporophyte is independent. स्पोरोफाइट इज इंडिपेंडेंट. नाउ अब और एक आइए, नेक्स्ट स्टेप जाएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अब ये दिस स्पोर्स, नाउ मियोसिस हुआ. मियोसिस, हैप्लॉइड, स्पोर्स आर हैप्लॉइड. स्पोर्स आर हैप्लॉइड. इन टेरिडोफाइट्स, इन टेरिडोफाइट्स, इन टेरिडोफाइट्स स्पोर डेवलप इनटू व्हाट? स्पोर डेवलप इनटू व्हाट? अब बताइए, स्पोर डेवलप इनटू व्हाट? Spore develop into what? In pteridophyte, spore develop into what? In bryophyte, spore develop into protonemma. Nemma, protonemma. In case of pteridophyte, spore develop into what? Spore develop into what? In bryophyte it is protonemma, man. In pteridophyte, girls, prothallus. Very good. It is develop into prothallus. Prothallus develop into prothallus. It develop into prothallus. It develops into prothallus, and this prothallus produces gamete producing structure and produces gametes. Gamete producing structure and gamete. It will have rhizoids. It is multicellular. It is multicellular. It is having rhizoid. Dependent or independent? Dependent or independent? Gametophyte is dependent or independent? Prothallus is dependent or independent? It is independent. Either it is saprophytic or it is photosynthetic. Either it is saprophytic or photosynthetic. Prothallus is produced in pteridophyte. Yes, prothallus is produced in pteridophyte. Protonemma is produced in bryophyte. Prothallus is produced in pteridophyte. Protonemma is produced in bryophytes. Okay. Gametophyte independent. Gametophyte independent. It produces gametes that are haploid. Gametes that are haploid, male gamete and female gamete, haploid. Both are haploid, fused together, produces zygote, and this is also multicellular. This is also multicellular, and sporophyte is also multicellular. So what type of cell, what type of life cycle? It is haplodiplontic life cycle. It is haplodiplontic life cycle. तेलुगु अकेडमी में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन देके है. लाइफ साइकिल यू फॉलो इट इन एनसीईआरटी. डिप्लोहैप्लॉन्टिक है, हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक है, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है तेलुगु अकेडमी में. यू फॉलो एनसीईआरटी. माय सजेशन, if you want to follow Telugu Academy, that is also okay, but for life cycle you follow NCERT. Okay, now few questions, just you have to analyze it. Highly reduced gametophyte is observed in which plant? Prothallus is produced. Highly reduced gametophyte is observed in which plant? जल्दी जल्दी बताना. Highly reduced gametophyte. Highly reduced gametophyte. Pagalo. Highly reduced gametophyte is observed in angiosperm and gymnosperm. 3-celled and 7-celled. Highly reduced sporophyte is observed in which plant? Highly reduced sporophyte is observed in algae. In which plant? Gametophyte as well as sporophyte are independent. In which plant? gametophyte as well as sporophyte is independent. Both are independent. In which plant gametophyte as well as sporophyte is independent? In pteridophyte, sporophyte is also independent and gametophyte is also independent. In which plant sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte? In bryophyte, sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. In which plant? Gametophyte is also free living as well as sporophyte is also free living in pteridophytes. Okay. Hope I have clear all the doubts. Any doubts? Agar doubts rahe to clear kar lijiye. And the last two lines, interestingly, most algae, almost all algae, life cycle is haplontic. In almost all algae, life cycle is haplontic. In almost all algae, life cycle is haplontic. Some of them show slight variation. One is Ectocarpus. I want you to underline the last line. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia will show haplodiplomatic life cycle. Haplodiplomatic life cycle is observed in bryophyte as well as pteridophyte. Haplodiplomatic life cycle is observed in bryophyte and pteridophyte, but Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia, will show haplodiplomatic life cycle, whereas Fucus, even though that is algae, will show diplomatic life cycle. A diplomatic life cycle is observed in angiosperm and gymnosperm, as well as one algae that is Fucus. This ends this chapter. I have made the bryophyte to revise, pteridophyte completely revision. Only characters you have to remember it. Sir, please say about haplodiplomatic life cycle in short. I did not understand this. Okay. Clear. 371 मेरे को आंसर्स देते रहना आप यहाँ पे, जल्दी जल्दी बताना. Nobody will answer. Only the boy who has asked. 371. Yeah, this is pteridophyte. ये plant which I am seeing, I have drawn here. ये sporophyte है और gametophyte है. जल्दी बताइए. Sporophyte है, gametophyte है. Sporophyte or gametophyte? Sporophyte. Very good. Sporophyte. Unicellular है, multicellular है. Unicellular or multicellular? Multicellular. Very good. Okay. Multicellular stage. Diploid or haploid? It is diploid. It is a diploid. Okay. It produces gamete. It produces spores. Spores are haploid. And now this prothallus, unicellular है, multicellular है. Prothallus, it is unicellular or multicellular? Multicellular. Haploid है, diploid है? It is haploid. Haploid है, diploid है? Haploid. Sporophytic phase, that is diploid phase. Diploid phase is multicellular. Haploid phase, multicellular. Haploid phase, multicellular. Diploid phase, multicellular. Both the phases are independent. Sporophyte is not dependent on gametophyte, and gametophyte is not dependent on sporophyte. What type of life cycle? It is haplodiplomatic life cycle. Whereas in case of algae, diploid condition, खाली one single cell था. algae diploid condition only single cell tha, whereas complete life multicellular structure is haploid condition. That's why it is called as haplontic life cycle. Whereas in case of angiosperm, gametophyte, which is haploid, is highly reduced, 3 cell or 7 cell the reduced. Whereas in both bryophyte and pteridophyte, haploid is also multicellular, diploid is also multicellular. That's why we are calling it as haplodiplontic life cycle. Hope I have cleared the doubt. Yes, yes, both are not dependent and both are multicellular. Both are not dependent and both are multicellular. Whereas in bryophyte, even though sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte, but that is also multicellular. Sporophyte is also multicellular. So, and they are multicellular. Yes, yes, right. You're right. You're right. Girls, any doubt? Girls. Alhamdulillah. I thought of starting morphology today. Unfortunately, this prolonged it. So tomorrow we'll start morphology. I'm saying now itself. Now itself I'm saying 99% of the student will struggle in morphology. And all the students, including me also, I enjoy, and you will also enjoy when you read morphology. When you understand morphology, you will enjoy. But when it comes to remembering the names as well as remembering the examples, many students face difficulty. Because of that, regularity of you people is required. रेगुलर रहिए. कल के क्लासेस से थोड़ा स्पीड जाने वाला हूं. 1 week आई एम लैगिंग बिहाइंड. 1 week मैं पीछे हो गया हूं. आई हैव टू गो लिटिल बिट फास्टर. मॉर्फोलॉजी इजी है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिकम्स वेरी इजी. प्रैक्टिकली यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द प्लांट्स, whatever the plants you are which is surrounded to you, that topics I am dealing from tomorrow. Okay, if you have any doubts, clear the doubts. I am going to wind up now. Yes, I'm going to increase the doubt. I'm going to increase the speed 100%. From tomorrow, the speed will be faster. Okay, we'll wind up. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. 371. क्या भाई बहुत जोश में आ गए ना आप? हाँ, मेरे को एग्जाम्पल दे रहे, लेके आओ, कल लेके आओ, फरारी भी लेके आओ, कौन सी भी लेके आओ, बैठ के मैं भी सफर कर लेता हूं. 371 रेस्पॉन्ड करो जरा, खुश हो तो मैं भी. टॉपिक की स्पीड बढ़ाने वाला हूं. अब कार की स्पीड समझे क्या? फरारी की स्पेलिंग जरा करेक्ट कर लो बेटे. आपको जरा स्पेलिंग में डाउट है. फेरारी क्या क्या की लिख रहे हैं, जरा स्पेलिंग जरा करेक्ट कर लो बेटे. आप जरा वर्कआउट करिए. वर्कआउट का तो जिम चले जाएंगे, जिम में नहीं, यहाँ स्टडीज में वर्कआउट करिए. ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.